Hello everybody, hope you're all keeping well. Well, we're into August already. I cannot believe where the time is flying away. Doesn't seem far as what I was telling you about my Lifetime Achievement Award that I got a month ago. Still buzzing from it. Time is just flying away. So what's been happening at Specialist Cars and House Building Company? So we are ticking over. Ticking over is the word I would say at the moment. Business is ticking over. It's not on fire, but it's not dead either. Lots of reasons for that, as we know. I can go through all of those, but there's no point. And all that I've also said, it's external forces you can't control, but in the meanwhile, everything here is ready and waiting. It's all prepped, ready to drive away. I'll do a bit of a spin around shortly. And also I'll give you a bit of a tour of our workshop. So some people obviously have been on site, they've bought cars from me, they'll use our service department for heresies and then know the complete layout. But there's so many customers out there who've never been to, of course, Specialist Cars or Harris Building Company. So this is a bit of a tour as well, just to give you an indication of what Specialist Cars and Harris Building Company is all about, give you a better picture. And of course, those who have not been or done the business with us yet, will give them a better idea of how we operate and all our operation, to give them confidence to know it's not just a backstreet garage, is the way I would phrase it. So I'll spin the camera around, give you a bit more update shortly, and see you shortly on the other side. So this is the showroom side. So you can see we've got quite a selection in the showroom. A few convertible and roadsters, various ranges. In here, there's a couple of cars on the back of it, which are not for sale, but I will just give you a quick show of what it is, because they do attract quite a bit of attention. A beautiful Jaguar there, convertible, that I bought about 4 years ago. In love with that car, so I've sort of hung on to it. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I just love it. I think it's gorgeous, gorgeous example. Beautiful combination. And that one there, that is really very, very rare. But it's not for sale. Golf GTI Turbo 1.8 with just 32,000 miles. That is a one that gets everybody talking about it. So again, it's one that I actually bought 4 years ago again. I supplied it probably 12 years ago, 10 years ago, with 28,000 miles, and I bought it back just on 32. That's another talking point there. Austin 10, 1947. Everybody talks about that car. So again, something a little bit different. If we had smell-o-vision, you will smell 1947 in there. And believe it or not, factory fitted sunroof. Can you believe that? In 1947. A very hot rod there. A very future classic. So I'm not going to go through every single car in the forecourt, but just to give you an idea of what the forecourt is like. Full range of cars. There's 2 rows on there. If you want just a first car, what about that little Fiat with just 21,000 miles? Price for all range, all type of vehicles. Another first car there. Very low mileage IGO. And we've got another full row of cars down there. And our forecourt there. So I'm just going to take you into our workshop, a little video which I did earlier on, which I'll attach to this, and I'll see you on the other side. We have 2 entrances when people approach. One just bottom of the cars there, one here. We've got all the cars on display. I'm trying to make it very easy and so that customers know exactly where to arrive, go straight through. And I am one of those people who want the customers to actually pull on the forecourt and literally dump the cars while we look after them for sales or service. So we're trying to leave that space totally empty for customers to literally put on. There's a sign at the other side of the entrance where it does say, customers and visitors are welcome, please park on site. So I'm going to drive around on the road trying to find a space. So customers come into here. This is our reception area. Of course, all Castrol branded. We are Castrol certified workshop. Entrance and our reception area. So this is our waiting area where customers can sit and relax, enjoy a nice cup of tea, coffee, chocolate, glass of water if you like. Nice, comfortable, free Wi-Fi of course. Our reception area where we look after all our customers on there. So this is a reception area, and of course the Castrol Extra Mile Customer Experience Award. So delighted to be winners of that. I'm proud to have it on there. Of course, Castrol certified partner. Of course, service, tyres, MOT station. And this is our front bay, where we do mainly our tyre repair and replacement service on here at the front. Of course, Castrol, almost 99% of the oil that we use as Castrol. Of course, you'll see so many different barrels. Of course, they are all pretty different. Modern cars need so much variance, so we have stacks and stacks of correct oil for correct vehicles. Air conditioning machine, of course, both old and new gas, as they say. Then I'll take you into our main workshop, straight through here, and this is our main workshop and MOT station. Got 3 ramps in here, 2 2-posters, 1 4-poster. I've got MOT station. And more customer parking around the back of there. So this gives you an indication of House Motor Company and how we operate and our workshops. Of course, full diagnostic equipment. So servicing, repairs, MOT, tyres, whatever you want doing. From Harris Motor Company, we're here to help. 01782 834 215. Give us a call. So hopefully that gives an indication of what the business is about for those who've never been to the site. So you get a full understanding that it's a full dealership with, of course, you know, sales and after sales all on one site, all under one roof. So we can look after you for all your servicing, repairs, maintenance, as well as buying and selling cars. On the Harris Motor Company side, we are very, very busy. The workshop is very full, lots of work coming in. So if you do want anything doing, please give us a call and we'll try and squeeze you in as fast as possible. And remember, those people who've got 73 plate cars, 73, register September, the MOT is due. So if it's 1st September, we can do the MOT now. So a lot of people tend to miss that first MOT. They don't realise their car's 3 years old. So if your car's 3 years old and you haven't thought about it, 73 plate, now's the time to check what date it was registered. So get it in, get it booked in. And as we always say, if you're local, we'll happily pick your car up for free of charge, or we'll lend you a car free of charge. We just ask you to put the fuel in that was in the vehicle, or we'll charge you for the fuel that you've used. So simple, easy, hassle-free. So remember, buying or selling, just give me a call. Or if you want some advice, happy to give you advice. And talking of advice, watch out. There's a few scams out there at the moment. So there's scammers are. I think I've said this before. I've used this example before, where scammers are, for example, let's say pinching my advert for a car. Let's say it's £17,000. The advertising is online for, let's say, £12,000, which of course is a massive bargain. They change the phone numbers, so you contact them, but you're believing that the car's from me. So everything else was reviews, websites, the videos might look as if it's all coming from me, but the advert is diverted with a phone number to somebody else who will take your money, and you'll never ever see that car. So just be aware of those scams. I'm hearing there's more and more happening out there. But if you need advice, like I've said before, happily give you advice. If you see a bargain that you think, I've got to buy it, talk to me. I'll happily tell you if it's the bargain that you think, or it's a scam. Phone number as always is 01782 822 700. Buying, selling, servicing, repairs, advice, talk to me. See you all soon.